A man accused of killing an 8-year-old has been ordered to have a competence hearing on his attorney's request. The hearing was allowed. Dayveon Lathrop made his initial appearance in court by Zoom on Friday after his allegation of first-degree intentional killing, a Class A felony carrying a life sentence if found guilty. Lathrop was taken into custody on Friday. Lathrop was additionally accused of a Class F felony hiding a corpse. He can be sentenced to up to $25,000 or 12 years, 6 months in jail if found guilty. The victim's only name was PL, citing Marxist law and claiming to wish to protect the victim. The sheriff's office withheld the victim's identity. Without identifying the victim or parent, the criminal complaint connects Lathrop and the victim as adopted siblings. A missing youngster had been reported in the town of Fulton on Saturday, according to the criminal complaint. The report submitter, who went by the name DL in the complaint, said that his 8-year-old adoptive daughter had vanished after he left to go menor shopping. In the criminal complaint, DL claimed that he informed his adopted son, Lathrop, age 20, that PL would be joining him at the house while they went to menors. Around 5:43 p.m., DL went back to the house, but PL wasn't there. In response to DL's question about PL's whereabouts, Lathrop allegedly said, "She's dead." According to the complaint, Lathrop remained silent when DL requested clarification. The complaint continued, claiming that Lathrop was standing in the bare area close to the downstairs restroom when DL arrived home. He heard water running and assumed Lathrop was filling a bucket. DL also noticed laundry soap all over the floor and light on the laundry room. When asked about what happened to PL, Lathrop acknowledged smoking marijuana and consuming alcohol. Following a check of the family home, an officer allegedly discovered 2 knives in the downstairs basement shower. There were 2 types of knives, a small closed pocket knife and an open black tactical style knife. The water at the shower's bottom gave the impression that it had been used recently, according to the complaint. Officers also noted that the knives appeared to be out of place and that there was a large amount of laundry detergent on the floor of the laundry room. People in the neighborhood that day told deputies they saw PL and Lathrop fighting at about 4:30 p.m. Deputies used a chemical called Crystal Violet, which can detect blood, to spray the downstairs bathroom following the execution of a search warrant. There was a positive reaction for hemoglobin after the spray. The criminal complaint also states that a gray storage container that looked out of place was discovered in the laundry area. It was heavy and packed with stuff. There were used white paper towels, an empty bottle of hydrogen peroxide, and an empty bottle of bleach inside. The bottle's caps were missing and the bottle of the bleach seemed to have been broken in order to fit inside the tote. The criminal complaint states that additional paper towels with suspected blood and a braid made of what appeared to be human hair were discovered after those items were taken out of the bag. Then PL's body was discovered. The lawsuit stated that there were stab wounds to the finger, arm, neck, and chest. The date of the competence hearing was not specified.